You don't always need a lot of makeup to look good. Today's video is all about that minimal look where you use less number of products to not only look good but also feel good. And before we start the video, please hit the subscribe button to help your girl grow. Also hit the bell icon if you want updates whenever I post a video. And let's just start the video now. So to look good without or with minimal makeup, the first step is good skincare. If your skin is looking and feeling good, you obviously don't need to cover it with lot of makeup to look good. So start with a clean face. I have already cleaned my face. You can also scrub if you haven't scrubbed recently, as it will give you a smooth base to work on. I always like to start with a face mist or rose water, and I'm going to spray it all over my face. And next I'm going to use a face serum. You can obviously use any face serum that you like using. This step is very important as your skin has to be properly hydrated and moisturized for the next steps. Now we'll again let it seep on our skin for around 30 seconds. Until then, just like your face, don't forget to moisturize your lips with a good lip balm. Okay, so next we will use a primer. Now primer will blur out your textures, your pores, तो आपकी skin बहुत smooth लगेगी. So I'm just using the Nykaa silicone primer here, and I'm just taking a small quantity and applying it over my T-zone, over my nose, on the center of my forehead and on my chin, because this is where I have the most textured skin. And whatever is left on my hand, I'll just apply it all over the face. So you can see my skin is already looking a lot smoother. Now we'll move on to concealer. Again, I'm going to use very small amount of concealer, a little bit on the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes, and I'll apply a little bit here because I just have a bit of darkness around here. And then you can apply it on any other areas that you want to conceal. Now to blend it out, I'm going to just use my finger because our skin is really nicely moisturized. We don't need to use blender. You see how nicely it has blended in just using a finger, and it's very quick. I'm going to apply just a little bit on the center of my forehead too. This will just make my entire face look a little more brighter. So that's it. If you have oily skin at this stage, you can also use a little bit of a compact powder so that your concealer doesn't creak. But we have already applied इतना कम concealer कि creak होने के chances बहुत कम हैं. Next I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Again, not too dark, just a little bit. You can see the difference that it makes just by lightly filling your eyebrows. Now I'm just going to use the other side to brush my eyebrows upwards. This just gives a more natural look. Next I'm going to use an eyelash curler. You'll see in a second how much difference it makes, and I'm not going to use any mascara after this. Can you see the difference? This eye looks so much more awake and brighter than this one. Now recently I've been loving these lip and cheek tints. They give such a natural flush look. This one is from Just Herbs. Just make sure that you are using a pinkish color because it will look more natural. And if you don't have a tint, just use a liquid lipstick or a creamy lipstick and it will give the same effect. So of course I'm going to apply it on my lips first. Just dab it on lightly and don't overdo. Now to apply it on the cheeks, just go from the center of your eyebrows to the middle of your cheeks and just dot it there. You can build up the quantity, just use your fingers to smudge it out. I just like to take this on my nose too. This just gives a very natural flushed look. Now whatever is left on my fingers, I like to run it over my eyelids. It might not look something on the camera, but it just gives a little bit of definition to the eyes. Now you can stop here, or at times I like to use a brown kajal and just lightly apply it over my eyelids like this. You don't need to be precise. Now just take your finger and smudge it out. So I hope you can see it just gives a little bit more definition to the eyes. So you can see I just opened my hair, added some hoop earrings, and this look is so fresh and natural. You can do it on an everyday basis. your skin will shine through and there is almost no makeup, go ahead, spray some perfume, because it's not just about looking good but also feeling good. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, then do let me know in the comments below, and also follow me on Instagram for more such content, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.